What kind of energy is discharged in huge quantities during a lightning event? A. Nuclear energy. B. Chemical energy. C. Electrical energy. D. Thermal energy. The correct answer is C. Electrical energy. Which country's rule was Pondicherry under when Subramania Bharati moved there? A. French rule. B. British rule. C. Portuguese rule. D. Dutch rule. The correct answer is A. French rule. Which structures are explicitly stated as absent in the epibilma of a monocote root? A. Parenchymatous cells and stomata. B. Stomata and cuticle. C. Cuticle and root hairs. D. Root hairs and stomata. The correct answer is B. Stomata and cuticle. What is the practice described as lending money at a high rate of interest? A. Bartering. B. Shresti trading. C. Usury. D. Sartvaha trading. The correct answer is C. Usury. What is the Sun classified as? A. A planet. B. An asteroid. C. A star. D. A moon. The correct answer is C. A star. What was the purpose of killing the yeast in Pasteur's experiment? A. To create a sterile environment. B. To observe its decomposition. C. To provide nutrients for new life. D. To make it easier to handle. The correct answer is A. To create a sterile environment. In what areas did the Roman Catholic Church exercise political control? A. Certain areas such as the Papal States. B. Only Northern Europe. C. Parts of Africa. D. Regions of Asia. The correct answer is A. Certain areas such as the Papal States. Which isotope of nitrogen has an abundance of 99.6%? A. N15. B. N17. C. N14. D. N16. The correct answer is C. N14. Which city is known for its fireworks, matches, and printing industries? A. Virudnagar, Shivkashi. B. Madurai. C. Tirupur. D. Coimbatore. The correct answer is A. Virudnagar, Shivkashi. Where does the Krebs cycle take place? A. Oxysomes. B. Cytoplasm. C. Cell membrane. D. Mitochondrial matrix. The correct answer is D. Mitochondrial matrix. What type of legislature is meant to be differentiated from parliament in the learning objectives? A. State legislature. B. Provincial legislature. C. Local legislature. D. Federal legislature. The correct answer is A. State legislature. What do the labels A, B, C, D, and E represent in the described scenario? A. Incident rays. B. Normals. C. Reflected rays. D. Surfaces. The correct answer is C. Reflected rays. What do people and animals derive energy from through their food? A. Sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. B. Minerals, vitamins, and fiber. C. Carbohydrates, protein, and fat. D. Oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. The correct answer is C. Carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Which coastal areas are particularly vulnerable to storm surges due to shallow coastal water? A. Regions of shallow coastal water. B. High altitude plateaus. C. Deep ocean trenches. D. Hilly inland regions. The correct answer is A. Regions of shallow coastal water. What type of plastic is the breakdown by specific bacteria restricted to? A. LDPE resin code number 4. B. PET resin code number 1. C. PP resin code number 5. D. PVC resin code number 3. The correct answer is B. PET resin code number 1. What is the title of Unit 05 in the provided text? A. Optics. B. Electricity. C. Magnetism and electromagnetism. D. Thermodynamics. The correct answer is C. Magnetism and electromagnetism. Acetic acid, also known as vinegar, is composed of which three elements? A. Carbon, sulfur, oxygen. B. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. C. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. D. Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. The correct answer is C. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Which scientist is associated with graphene? A. Polystyrene. B. Andre Geim. C. Buckyball. D. C60. The correct answer is B. Andre Geim. Based on the examples provided, what is a common characteristic of the pears shown, like seed to sapling, raw fruit? A. They involve movement. B. They involve a transformation or change. C. They involve a decrease in mass. D. They involve a change in location. The correct answer is B. They involve a transformation or change. Who is believed to have built the Kadugumlai rock cut temple? A. Mahendra Varman. B. Parantaka Veera Narayana Pandyan. C. Harihar II. D. Parantaka Nedunchadayan. The correct answer is D. Parantaka Nedunchadayan. Biotechnology is described as an entity of what? A. Food production. B. Underdeveloped nations. C. Modern biology. D. Modern agriculture. The correct answer is C. Modern biology. Which of the following is an example of a wireless connection? A. USB. B. Wi-Fi. C. Electric wires. D. VGA. The correct answer is B. Wi-Fi. Kalyani was the capital associated with which dynasty? A. Eastern Chalukyas. B. Rashtrakutas. C. Western Chalukyas. D. Pallavas. The correct answer is C. Western Chalukyas. What is the sequence of events occurring from the beginning to the completion of one heartbeat called? A. Diastolic pressure. B. Systolic pressure. C. Blood pressure. D. Cardiac cycle. The correct answer is D. Cardiac cycle. What happens to the spinner when air is blown through the riffle of the simple spinner toy? A. It stops moving. B. It oscillates. C. It vibrates. D. It rotates. The correct answer is D. It rotates. Which of the following is not a food crop? A. Maj. B. Coconut. C. Ragi. D. Bajra. The correct answer is B. Coconut. An isotope of which element is used as a smoke detector? A. Uranium. B. Californium. C. Americium. D. Carbon. The correct answer is C. Americium. Which ingredient is essential for soap preparation alongside water and coconut oil? A. Sodium hydroxide. B. Alcohol. C. Glycerin. D. Sodium carbonate. The correct answer is A. Sodium hydroxide. People from different backgrounds belong to different what? A. Cultures. B. Schools. C. Countries. D. Families. The correct answer is A. Cultures. Which monarchs are well-known Tamil monarchs? A. The Pallavas and Cholas. B. The Kalabras and Cheras. C. The Satvahans and Pandyas. D. The Cholas and Pandyas. The correct answer is D. The Cholas and Pandyas. How did you score?